Spectrum Cable Box Error Code 2D typically indicates a signal or communication problem between your cable box and your TV. It often manifests as a black screen or frozen channel guide, preventing channels from loading properly. This error generally means the cable box can't establish a stable connection with the TV or the cable source. Common causes include loose or faulty HDMI cables, faulty coaxial cable connections, power cycling issues, outdated firmware, or signal interference from nearby devices like Wi-Fi routers. The box's processor checks for a valid HDMI signal every few seconds. Failure triggers the code to alert users of potential hardware faults, drawing from HDMI 2.1 standards for signal integrity. First, power off both your TV and Spectrum cable box completely. Unplug both from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds to discharge any built-up electrical charge. Next, carefully inspect and reseat all HDMI and coaxial cables connected to both devices to ensure they are securely plugged in. Plug the TV and cable box back into the power outlet, then turn on the TV first, followed by the cable box. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset of the Spectrum box. Use your remote to access the box's menu, navigate to Settings, Reset, Factory Reset. Note that this will erase any personalized settings. For advanced users, check the box's IP address via the Spectrum app to ensure internet connectivity.